Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Gede Abdullasena, NPM 2341169, class MNJ 23C. Okay, today we will discuss supply chain and demand, a key concept in business that explain how product move from supplier to customer and how customer demand affect every step of that process. Understanding this relationship helps company manage inventory, reduce costs, and deliver product efficiently. This topic is essential for improving business performance and meeting customer needs effectively. Okay, introduction, understanding supply chain and demand. The supply chain refers to the entire network involved in producing and delivering a product or service from supplier, manufacturer, and distributor to customer. Meanwhile, demand represents the desire and ability of customer to purchase goods or service. A balance between supply and demand is crucial to ensure that business can meet customer needs efficiently without overproduction or running out of stock. The relationship between the two, the supply chain serves to meet demand, while demand determine how large and fast the supply chains must operate. The two are interconnected and determine business stability. According to Christopher 2020, supply chain management is the management of upstream and downstream relationship with supplier and customer in order to deliver supplier customer value at the lowest possible cost. Okay, next, objective of supply chain management. Number 1, optimize efficiency, reduce waste, lower cost, and improve production flow. Number 2, improve customer satisfaction, ensure timely product delivery and consistent quality. Number 3, increase flexibility, adapt to sudden market change or demand fluctuation. Number 4, enhance collaboration, strengthen coordination between supplier, producer, and retailer. Number 5, maximize profitability, align supply chain process to achieve better financial performance. Okay, next, the role of demand in supply chain. Demand forecasting helps predict future customer needs using data analysis and market trends. Accurate forecasting allows companies to plan inventory, production, and distribution more effectively. When demand increases unexpectedly, supply chain must adjust production and logistics quickly. Poor demand management can lead to overstock, too much supply, or shortage to little. Example, supply but causing financial loss. Example, during e-commerce growth, companies like Amazon use AI algorithm to predict demand pattern and manage stock efficiently. Okay, next, application of supply chain and demand strategy. Number 1, Tokopedia and Shopee as data analytic. Number 2, Unilever as a demand forecasting system. Number 3, Toyota as a just-in-time system. Number 4, Alfamart and Indomart using an automatic replenishment system. Number 5, explanation. Effective supply chain and demand management reduce cost, speed up service, and maintain customer satisfaction. Without this system, business can easily experience loss due to inventory not meeting market needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, the concept of supply chain and demand play a vital role in determining the efficiency, responsiveness, and overall success of any business operation. The supply chain is not just a sequence of production and distribution activities, but a strategic network that connects supplier, manufacturer, distributor, and customer. At the same time, customer demand acts as the primary driver that influence how this network operates, how resources are allocated, and how decisions are made at every level of the organization. Understanding the relationship between supply chain
Let me introduce
and demand
myself.
allow
My name is
business
G. Aprilia
to
Sheena.
forecast
You can
more
call me Sheena.
accurately,
NPM
manage inventory
2341169.
In this video, I will
and
discuss health and
maintain
safety in the workplace in this modern era.
availability without
Occupational health and
unnecessary
safety are one of the
costs.
important aspects that
When
must be considered by every
companies
company.
are able
The
to
workplace is
balance
not just a
supply
space to
with
work,
customer
but
demand,
also an environment where
they
every
reduce
employee has the
stress,
right to feel
diminish
safe,
delay,
healthy, and comfortable.
enhance customer
Health and safety in the
satisfaction.
workplace or occupational health and
This
safety
arrangement
is an effort to protect
also
employees
help
from various risks
organizations
that can occur
remain
while working,
competitive
be it
in a
physical risks
market
such as work
where
accidents,
consumer
health risks such as exposure to
preferences and
hazardous
conditions
materials,
change
to mental
rapidly.
risks due to work pressure. Some examples of the application of health and safety in the work environment include the provision of personal protective equipment,
Modern
safety training, routine health
supply
checks,
chain
and emergency evacuation
must
procedures.
adapt
In addition,
to
companies
global
also need to create a
challenges
work environment that
such
supports mental health,
as
such as a
fluctuating
comfortable break room and good work
market
communication
trend,
between teams.
technological
Why is this important? Because a safe and healthy workplace can increase productivity, reduce accident rates, and create a positive work atmosphere. Employees can also work
For
more
this
focused and
reason,
comfortable without worrying about their
business
safety. Remember,
must integrate
health and safety in the
strong
workplace is not only the
demand
responsibility
planning,
of the company,
data
but also the shared
analytics,
responsibility of all
and
employees.
efficient
By maintaining existing
coordination.
rules and caring for each other,
For
we can create a
department,
safer, healthier, and more productive
effective
work environment.
supply
In addition to maintaining
chain
physical safety,
management
mental health
ensure
aspects in the workplace
not
should not be
only
ignored. A work environment that
operational
is too stressful without
efficiency,
adequate support can trigger stress, fatigue, and other mental disorders.
but
Therefore,
also
it is important for companies to
strategic
provide supporting
agility
facilities such as
and
employee counseling,
essential
work-life balance
factor
programs, and an
for
open and respectful work
long-term
culture. Not only
sustainability.
that, every employee must also have an understanding of the
Overall,
safety procedures that apply in their
supply
work
chain
environment,
and
starting from
demand
how to use personal protective
is
equipment,
more
first
than
aid steps,
an
to evacuation procedures in the event
operational
of an emergency such as a fire or natural disaster.
process.
That way,
It
the
is
risk
a
of work accidents
strategic
can be minimized, and all employees can act quickly
foundation
when an emergency occurs. The
that
implementation of
sets
occupational health and safety
business
standards is not only a legal
performance,
obligation, but also a form of company concern for the welfare of its
customer
employees. A safe and healthy workplace will create a
experience,
conducive work
and
atmosphere, increase employee
organizational
loyalty, and
growth
maintain a
by
positive image of the
mastering
company in the eyes of the public.
this
Not only in large companies, the
relationship,
implementation of health and safety is also
companies can
important in various
improve
types of workplaces,
decision-making,
including small offices,
strength,
shops to field work environments.
market
Each location has its own
positioning,
risks
and
that need to be
deliver target
identified and anticipated.
value
With
to
the
help
implementation of the right procedures,
customer.
work accidents can be prevented, and the quality of work life of employees can
To
be
conclude
increased.
this
Because in the
presentation, we
end,
have
a healthy and
explored
safe work environment will
the
have a
key
positive
ideas and
impact,
insights
not only
that
for
shape the
employees,
topic
but also for the
we
sustainability
discussed
of the
today.
business as a
From
whole.
this
In
material, we
closing,
can
let's
see
work
how
together to build a work culture
it
that cares
is
about
for
health and
business to
safety.
plan, coordinate,
Let me
and
introduce
adapt
myself. I am
in
Pramutya
order to
Gulagayatri
meet
with
customer
NPM
needs and remain competitive
2341164.
constantly
In this
changing.
video, I will discuss
The
health and safety in the
concept
workplace in this modern era.
remain
Occupational
as the
health and safety
success
are one of the important
does
aspects that must be
not
considered
really
by every
on
company.
one
The workplace
single
is not just a
factor,
space to
but on
work,
the
but also an
integrity of
environment where every
communication,
employee has the
technology,
right to feel
and
safe,
decision
healthy,
making
and
across
comfortable.
organization.
Health and safety in the workplace or occupational
lead
health and safety
to thank
is an
everyone
effort to
for
protect
your time,
employees from
attention,
various
and
risks that can
engagement
occur while
throughout this
working, be it
presentation.
physical risks such
I
as work
truly hope
accidents,
the
health risks such as exposure to hazardous materials, to mental risks due to work pressure. Some examples of the application of health and safety in the work environment include the provision of personal protective equipment, safety training, routine health checks, and emergency evacuation procedures. In addition, companies also need to create a work environment that supports mental health, such as a comfortable break room and good work communication between teams. Why is this important? Because a safe and healthy workplace can increase productivity, reduce accident rates, and create a positive work atmosphere. Employees